now first things first, we're gonna mount the antenna. The antenna is this with the rubber, so it should go into this red thingy. Let's try to, okay, we just unplug it, you see the thingy, and now we're gonna put the washer. This is a rubber washer, if it's gonna wanna stay, yes. And now this one we're gonna just screw it in and twist it clockwise.
Carpathian wolves howling at the peak. Carpathian wolves crushing the weak. Kill, kill, faster.
Okay, we have mounted the thing. This is the communication port with the smart meter, because we're gonna use this system as it is, not off grid, not on grid. Is a hybrid inverter, so we're gonna use it directly, not inject into the network, the main network. So we're gonna use it without battery, without thing. Here is gonna be the AC power in, here the communication port, then the DC panels. Let's see, yeah, this is the small one is plus, and this is the min. All right, let's see what the manual says after. A smart dongle we don't have. Now the big AC connector. So I'm guessing this is a Phoenix contact, 3-core cable, phase, neutral, and earth. Let's see, it does a click, it's got some, this one, so should be just clipping in. Okay, so we have the main plug, we have this rubber adjustment, we have a cable, a male 3G 2.5 cable, flexible, and then we're gonna strip the wires. Here we have approximately 2.5 meters, so because we're gonna plug it right there between the flowers. Okay, let's unscrew this one and see what it gets us. Okay, we have stripped it apart, we have opened the thing, we have this connector, this is the end, and then we're gonna use one of these. I'm guessing the middle is labeled 17. Yeah, this should be okay for reducing the diameter of the thing. All right, let's see what we have here labeled. Yes, as you can see, this is, we have phase, neutral, and ground. Alrighty then, should be an easy clip. It's like a Vago connector, so you're gonna just put a cable in. This one, normally you should install pins on it, but we don't know if we can have it, and it's gonna be temporary, so we will see. Alrighty then.